Coming to bitwise operators are used to manipulate individual bits of a operand. They take each bit in one operand and perform the operation with the corresponding bit in the other operand. If one operand is shorter than the other, it will be extended onto the left side with zeros to match the length of the longer operand. SystemVerilog provides six bitwise operators. They are bitwise not, bitwise and, bitwise NAND, bitwise OR, bitwise NOR, bitwise XOR, and bitwise XNOR. Coming to relational operators in System Verilog, those are used to compare two values. They evaluate the relationship between the operands and return a Boolean result. Here is the relational operators commonly used: equality checks if two operands are equal, inequality checks if two operands are not equal, less than checks if the left operand is less than the right operand, less than or equal to checks if the left operand is less than or equal to the right operand, greater than checks if the left operand is greater than the right operand, greater than or equal to checks if the left operand is greater than or equal to the right operand. These operators are essential for making decisions in conditional statements, loops, and expressions where comparisons are needed. Let's discuss shift operators now. Shift operators in System Verilog are used to shift the bits of a variable or expression to the left or right. Shifting can be logical or arithmetic, and it changes the bit patterns in the operand, often used for bit manipulation and arithmetic operations. Okay, coming to the logical left shift, it shifts the bits of the operand to the left by a specified number of positions. Zeros are shifted into the least significant bits, that is on the right side. Then comes to the logical right shift. It shifts the bits of the operand to the right by a specified number of positions. Zeros are shifted into the most significant bits, that is left side. Similarly, arithmetic left shift, similar to the logical left shift, it shifts the bits to the left and fills with zeros on the right. And finally, the arithmetic right shift, it shifts the bits of the operand to the right while preserving the sign bit, which is most significant bit for sign values. This operation replicates the sign bit 1 for negative and 0 for positive on the left side. Coming to control statements in System Verilog are used to control the flow of execution in a design or test bench. The control statements involved in System Verilog are if else, used for conditional execution of code blocks, case, used for multi-way branching based on the value of an expression, for, used for iterating a block of code a fixed number of times, while, used for iterating a block of code as long as a condition is true, do while, similar to the while loop but ensures the block of code is executed at least once, forever, used to create an infinite loop typically controlled by a condition within the loop to break out, repeat, used to repeat a block of code a specific number of times.